Hey guys, just a super quick video here. I wanted to show you guys how to change a video thumbnail on Minds. So, myself included, a lot of people weren't really aware that you could even set a video thumbnail since it's not shown when you post the video. But afterwards, if you go to edit your video, you'll actually see that you have an option to change the video thumbnail that is presented on the feed. Very, very simple process, and we'll just jump right into it. So on your profile, or if you just posted it, you would go and edit it. I'm just switching to videos here, and then I'll go to my most recent one. And when you go to edit it, it's formatted really awkwardly. It assumes that your regular post is like a title, so it looks really awkward. But if you scroll down, you'll actually see thumbnails. You'll see the one that's being used, as well as just other snapshots from it. It's not super intuitive like YouTube, but regardless, the main thing here is that this isn't super obvious, but it's slightly a slightly different color, and it's actually clickable, where you can actually click and then you can upload a new thumbnail, and it's as simple as that. So yeah, it's pretty simple process. You would just upload, click your picture, hit save, and then when people see it on the feed, it will actually present the different video thumbnails. So if you don't already put your thumbnail at the beginning, which is what I usually do to just get around this, you can now go and upload it after you've posted your video. Mind you, Minds does have video duration limits, so be mindful of that. That's why not all of my videos are on Minds, but it is definitely worth uploading them to Minds and getting yourself set up so that you can just be distributed on different platforms. If something were ever to happen on a certain platform, you'd be happy if all of your videos and your content and everything was on Minds as well. So I highly recommend also uploading your videos here, and now you can go and edit your thumbnail pretty easily. So it wasn't super obvious. That's why I wanted to make this video to teach people. Probably add it to my absolutely epic guide. And after this, I'm going to also do another one on Minds, off-chain, and on-chain, given the new update. See you then. Scott Cunningham, aka Sconcy Business, signing off. Cheers.